Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to make tomato basil panini. Here are the ingredients that you will need. Sliced tomatoes, sliced fresh mozzarella cheese, some butter, basil leaves, basil pesto sauce and sourdough bread. To start, I have applied the basil pesto sauce on one side of the bread and butter on the other side. First, arrange the cheese slices on top of a bread slice. Then, arrange the tomatoes on top, just like that. And then, place a couple of basil leaves on top of the tomatoes and close it up with the other slice of bread. Notice that it has butter applied on the outer side. Heat up your panini maker under medium heat until it becomes ready. The green light is switched on, indicating that it is now ready. Place the bread inside the panini maker and close the lid tight. Cook until the cheese melts and the bread gets toasted. So we'll leave it for a few minutes and then we'll check it out in a few minutes. Okay, it's been 4 minutes now and the ready light has switched on again. It had switched off earlier, it has switched on again. Let's see how the panini has come out. Yeah, looks like it is all done. You can see the cheese has melted on the side and the bread is toasted. That's it. Your panini is ready. I hope you enjoyed this video. Try it out, and if you have any questions, please comment down below and I'll respond to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.